So welcome to our video series. What we're going to do here is we're going to just show people how they can contribute to libraries on GitHub from scratch. So we're going to show you the full process, all the ugly parts of it, so you can see what it's like to contribute. My name's Keith Holiday, and then
I'm Craig Holiday.
so let's get started.
Awesome. So we're trying to find. This is basically completely from scratch. We know our languages. We know we want to contribute to an open source library. So we pop over to GitHub, go to trending, and then looks like we're putting in our language that we want to filter by, and you can just pick whatever looks cool in here. 30 seconds of code. PDF's always fun.
Yeah,
a little bit complicated.
I filtered by JavaScript because, we both know JavaScript and JavaScript stuff is usually easy. You can probably find like a little widget library to contribute to. That's what I'm really looking for. Something that you don't have to have a lot of domain knowledge. This 30 seconds of code looks pretty good. Maybe there's a snippet request. There's not a lot of issues, but we can at least see.
Yeah, these documentation ones, or like tips and tricks are always good. I think a few down we saw that there's the best practices in JavaScript. That could also be a good one.
Yeah, and I think I have contributed to that one. Let's see. Links about this. Alright. Let's see. Unflattened fails, bug. There's not too much going on here. Let's leave it open. Let's come back to it a little bit. Alright. JavaScript algorithms, that could be a good one.
Definitely. Lots of stars on that one too.
Let's see.
So that means that there's
lots of issues here.
Yep.
Efficient hash table implementation. Create
a site.
That's a big one.
Yeah, interesting. Sorting visualization, data structures, and algorithms.
Okay.
Oh, what's that counting sort optimization?
Which one? All right, let's click that. Let's check it out. Push it here. Metasic. Okay, let's see. In implementation, there's a loop by all array elements. Find the smallest, biggest. Next, creating a counting array of the size beyond the smallest, biggest. The next step, there is one more iteration by all. So let's consider example. Then switch to lookup. Here. Okay.
Do you understand what they're getting at here? Looks like there's an example there.
So that they want you to count, like create a hash list of how many items are in here. That's it?
Right.
So you just create a hash, go through the array, and then counts how many times it appears. So there's 6 here and then 3. So that's a pretty easy one, but someone already says they want to work on it. No response.
In June, yeah.
Oh, in June. Oh, okay. Well, okay. Counting
could
sort
be a good
optimization.
One.
Is this is this a real
optimization of counting sort algorithm? So do they already have?
Is this a 2-point potential optimization? Okay, so you're saying it's optimizing one.
Possibly. But
or they're just speaking weirdly.
Right.
Let's see.
Sorting. And so here we're just looking through this project.
Here we go.
Yeah, it looks like they have counting sort already. And so they didn't say what, and I mean, I don't know if they went into any detail of what kind of optimization they're looking for there, but if we read through the code here, I'm sure we could kind of figure something out.
We can also cut stuff if we're lingering too long.
Yeah, I'm just trying to add some color in.
No, totally.
Also, I forgot I have a thing at 4.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll cut out at 4 and we'll just continue later. So.
Yeah, sounds good.
This is quite an interesting algorithm here. Bucketing and then sorting. Collection of objects and keys smaller. Okay, what is he complaining about here? I think it's fantastic. There's a lot of addition to developers. All right, let's get out of this one for a little bit.
Yeah,
this could be something to come back to because it's not really like a widget to run, and I want to show them how to run something and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, Spotify clone.
Spotify clone, fun, small little apps that have something going for them.
Yeah, could be cool. This would be a
Definitely.
really
So
good one for the learn. I mean, I'm
yeah,
gonna
let's take a
bookmark
look at
this.
the. Let's take a look at what they have together.
It's pretty. It actually looks super nice.
I mean, it looks almost exactly like Spotify.
I would use this as a boilerplate for things for sure.
Mm-hmm.
They have login
And it looks
going.
like they may even be using the Spotify API to do authentication.
Oh, is that what it says?
Log into
Oh
a
yeah,
premium account.
cool.
Yeah, free accounts can't log in, obviously. So they're actually even using the Spotify API.
Cool. So, all right. So it's got React. Use create React app. So that should be easy for
Mm-hmm.
us to boot up. Axios. Very common things here. Nice instructions. Reflection. I don't know what that means, but okay.
I don't know either, but
Let's see what kind of issues they. Oh, there's no issues.
no issues. Dang. Well,
Okay.
it's a cool thing. It doesn't look like they. It looks like they may not need a lot of work on this one.
Yeah.
But it's cool. It's a
It's
cool
cool.
thing to look at.
That's cool. That would be a good one to get started on if they had issues. If people had requests, it's trending. Maybe it'll have requests later. React select. Ooh, that would be maybe an easy one. Any issues? Oh,
Okay.
10 issues. Okay.
Ton of issues.
All right. See, and this is a small component.
Cool. So let's see. What is this component doing?
Right. Sorry. Okay. So select control for React using Keystone. I'm sure that. C for live demos. All right. Let's check out some live
Let's
demos.
go check out some demos. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's this thing.
I love it.
It's very pretty. Very much prettier than the built-in select. Yeah.
That's exactly what you see here.
Okay. So okay. Got search
Pretty
going.
variable.
Oh god, multi-tag support. Everybody wants that. Didn't you just help someone with this on iOS?
Yeah, I just helped somebody with this. All this was built out from Material UI, and it's probably one of my favorite components from Material UI.
Okay, you know what? So let's go ahead and start by let's create a demo, like an empty project, and then try to use it. Try to go through some of this documentation, and then we'll see how we can build it and run tests. Because it looks like they have a bunch of stuff here.
Yeah,
They got
let's go
some
take a look at
Cypress
some of the
tests going.
issues. Yeah, Cypress test could be a good to
And
take a look at.
Yeah, plenty of issues.
Yeah, issues and pull requests, which means this is active.
Yep.
Also active 7 days ago, so they're merging in pull requests.
And it's just this, it's a little component, so I mean, it's probably not that difficult to get into. It supports a lot of stuff, but I bet it's not that crazy.
Yeah, definitely.
We could even open
And
up.
have circles set up, which is cool.
Yeah. Man, it is pretty big for one component.
It is pretty big. It looks like they got a lot of features.
Yep.
So,
All right, let's start by trying it in a project, huh?
yeah, sounds good.
All right, that's not it.